Hey everyone, I started to show you a huge explosion that I made myself on Far Cry 3. Shoot one. It's way back there. Ta-da! The map is called Huge Explosion! Exclamation point! Exclamation point! It is on PS3, and you cannot make explosions like this on the Xbox because its CPU is not high enough. But yeah, this is on PS3. You can add me as a friend if you want on my Stage 200. I'm not sure if it'll freeze on PC. I don't think it will. But yeah, you can add me on my Stage 200. Yeah, play it. The map is called Huge Explosion! Exclamation point! Exclamation point! It's by Ice Age 200. Goodbye.